Hi, this is Davide Biocchi speaking, and here we are for my weekly intermarket analysis. Let's start as usual with euro dollar, and it's very clear that we have here, let's say, a perfect downtrend visible on the chart, and that exactly today what happened is that the dollar is becoming stronger and stronger again. So, really, we were very close to a price of 0.985, but now we are, let's say, we have lost a figure and we are right now 0.976. So more or less, in my opinion, it can start from here. I expect potentially that, let's say, a trading range could come as it happened previously after a market sell-off, as it happened here. After a sell-off, the market went for consolidating, and again here I expect it to happen as it was here. So all the time is quite a similar story on the euro dollar. So let's see what is going to happen. Let's switch immediately after to the commodities, and let's start with the crude oil that today is recovering. A rebound is taking place, and the price is right now, let's say, coming from the test of the intermediate support of area around $81, is now reacting. Let's see if it is only for one day or if we will see the market continue growing. Don't forget that recently the market failed the test at the at the $95 area after the cut in the production by the OPEC Plus. So let's see what is happening also on gold, and as we can see, the gold is going down today, and the fact that the gold is going down is telling us that the moment is really not the proper one if you are considered an alternative of the bonds, because the yield of the bonds today is increasing a lot. So let's see if the market will stop at the previous level that worked here around 1,625 more or less. So if this support will be tested, and then if we will see again a reaction. What happened before was that when the market was here, immediately after reacted, let's say, more than $60 per barrel, even more, and the price came back to 1,720. So let's see if a reaction will take place, or if the market will go even below that very important support. Immediately after, let's switch to the stock indices, and let's start with the European Euro Stock 50. The Euro Stock 50 was, let's say, work in progress to try to close above the resistance of 3,500, but as we can see right now, it didn't happen. So that resistance is still there and still working, and the market is now coming down. And a quite similar situation we have on the DAX. Look at the DAX chart. Despite the fact the market was stronger yesterday, we have seen even today, even on the DAX, the market coming back. So in this case, we are not below the support. We are very close to the support. So let's see if any reaction can come tomorrow, but this is the reality right now. And let's end up with the US stock indices, and let's start with the S&P 500. The S&P 500 was, again, let's say, in the attempt to go above the price of 3,770. Earlier today, the price was touched several times, and then the market came down. And during the open, let's say, the open session, what happened was that we have seen gradually the market going down and down. There was a quite relevant intraday support around 1,730. When the market went down and then pulled back that price, then it was down. And let's say in this moment, it seems that we are going to test in the very beginning this level around 3,670, and then if the market will go even below that, I think that we will see again the previous minimum around here. Quite similar is the situation that we have on the Nasdaq, but the Nasdaq is weaker. So in this moment, we can see that the market was not yesterday as strong as the S&P was, and today the market is coming down even more. So let's see what is going to happen, but it's a quite relevant situation. We are approaching half of a week. We will have the reporting season that is continuing, so everything can happen in the market, but let's say we are in a downtrend and we still continue to be there. This is all for this week. Thank you very much for being here. Ciao ciao, bye bye from Davide, and see you soon. Ciao.